Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're going to showcase what I like to call the marriage saver, and I'll explain what that means here in just a moment. At the bottom of the boat is typical Harris quality. You have the 25-inch tubes, you have the Performance 2 package lifting strakes to jump the boat up on plane quick. The center tube being 2 inches deeper, tracks like a V-hull boat. You have this solid end bracket which ties from the back of the tube all the way to the front of the tube on all three tubes, inside and outside, which gives you a rigid, stable platform. Beautiful midnight blue with a silver accent. It comes with a high quality bimini. Come around the back, you've got the Mercury 150, super quiet 4-stroke, 40-gallon fuel cell for a full day on the water. Comes with a saltwater package which has all your zinc anodes on there to keep the electrolysis down, saves all the metal on the boat. This engine is plenty powerful with the ski tow bar, so you can take water skiers for your water sports. That keeps the kids happy. Let's go up top and explain why it keeps mama happy and you happy too. As we come aboard, you notice one of Harris's features is a solid bracket on all the doors. What that does is that keeps any kind of accidental push through there. This bracket will hold 400 pounds of force, so if a child was to be running, catch a wave wrong, you hit up against this, it's not going to compromise the door. Harris factors in tons and tons of safety on their boats, one of which is all the boats have hinged cushions, so as you're towing it down the road with the optional trailer, all our boats come with or without a trailer, it's up to you. No chance of losing a cushion. As we come back forward, you got a deep ski locker for your water toys. Maintenance-free seagrass flooring. Also gives you a lot of grip if it gets wet on here. That's no slipping. The great thing about it is the women of the boat, although they do fish, can lounge up here. But as we move forward back, we have the dual captain's chairs, but it also keeps the fishermen happy because we have 2 fishing chairs back here in the back. We have a live well, ruler to make sure your catch is legal. We got 4 rod holders in the back as well as 2 on the side. Simrad bottom machine, which will help you find your fish. Also gets you to location with the GPS. This boat is equipped with the multicolor lighting system, which lights up the rope lights underneath all the seats. Great quality boat, fun boat, takes care of everybody's needs. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 708-1317, area code 850. Come see us, let's go fishing, or at least go hang out at the island for a little while.